Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Cinnamoroll's friend, Poron. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the sides of the head with a curve down on the left. And then move over to the right and let's do the same thing. Now underneath on both sides, let's draw a curl up and back out like this. And then let's draw a curve across in between for the bottom of the head. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the face. Let's start with 2 ovals for the eyes. And then color both of the eyes in black. Next, let's move in between and let's draw the mouth with 2 curves going out. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop to the top and let's add the bow. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw a rounded rectangle. Then from the bottom corners, let's draw a bumpy line down and out on both sides. And the same thing on the top corners, going up and out. And then close off each side with another bumpy line going down. Next, let's hop inside, and in the middle, let's draw a curve on both sides. And that's it for the bow. Now let's move down and draw the ears. Let's start underneath the bow on the left and let's draw a wavy line down and out. And the same thing on the right. Now at the end, let's step in and let's draw a curve. And then 2 more to close off each side. And that's it for the ears. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start with an angle underneath the head on the left and on the right. And then let's draw a curve out and back in. And now before we finish drawing the body, let's draw the strap for the clock. Let's start inside on the top left and let's draw a curve over and down to the right. And the same thing underneath. Now we can move back in and finish drawing the body. On the left side, let's draw a curve down and in. Then let's hop over underneath the right arm and let's draw a curve down and then continue it underneath the strap like this. And then let's add a curve across, leaving a gap on both sides. Now underneath those gaps, let's add the feet. Let's start with a curve down on the left and an angled curve on the right. Now let's move over on the right side and let's add the tail. On top of the arm, let's draw a curve over and then 2 bumps underneath. And that's it for the body. Now let's add the clock. At the end of the strap, let's draw a small rectangle. And then a square on top. and then continue it underneath with 2 lines down. Now at the bottom here, let's draw a circle. And then add 2 more circles inside. Next, let's add the numbers on the clock. Let's start with 12 at the top, 3 on the right, 6 on the bottom, and 9 on the left. Now let's add the hands to the clock. In the center circle, let's draw a small black circle in the center. Then 2 angled lines up and out. On the left one, let's draw a black oval at the end, and a triangle on the other one. And that's it for Poron. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!